now because you see almost oh yeah, that's what I talking, guys. So if you use this, you better focus on how to use this because this is very dangerous tool how to catch a fish. This is what you call slingshot, guys. Slingshot here in Taiwan to catch more fish. It's look like an, it's look like an arrow. It's look like an archer, guys. It's look like an archer. Tanggalin mo na lang yung yung parang yung black niya kasi para di sumasabi sa damo mamaya. Ha? Tinanggal mo? Yung parang yung nakaganon. Nilagay mo doon? Oo. Yun, no, guys. Tinanggal na pala niya yung parang naglalak, no? Para hindi sumasabi sa damo. Shout out to all our live viewers out there, guys. Please comment down below where you from. And also, I just want to give you a shout out, guys. And also, I want to say good morning and good afternoon in Asia, and good night in US, Mexico, and Canada. Good night to all of you guys. And the one who are watching us, guys, I want to know which country were you from. Nagaya si Dom, birthday daw ni Dom mamayang gabi. Birthday ba ni Dom? Kakatapos na birthday nun ah. Sarap daw ng dorm. Shout out to all of you guys. Shout out to 64 live viewers from Beast Mode TV. Thank you so much, guys. Please comment down below where you from. I just want to know where you from, guys. So I can give you a shout out. Please like, share, and subscribe, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Do not forget, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please like, share, and subscribe, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Do not forget. Hoping to all our viewers right now, hoping you are all good in your country and you are happy. And also your family, your also family. I just praying all of you is right now is good. Like me, right now we are here in Taiwan. That's very, very good in here, guys. Just hi guys to who are want fishing, who are love fishing here, guys. Who are love. Hello guys, hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good night to Canada, Mexico, USA, and also again I want to say good night to Canada, and also USA, Mexico, New Orleans also. I want to say thank you for your all support, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Meron pre. Ang liit. sa kanya sakong-sako sa landing eh. Landing ng bala. Tumakbo na tuloy siya. Liit yan, lakas ng ano. Guys, we catch another one, but this is very, very small. This is a very, very small, guys. Sakong-sakto yung landing ng bala naman eh. Parang sinalo ng katawan niya. Kitang-kita ko yung yung landing eh. Hello guys, good afternoon. Right now we are here in Taiwan. How about you guys? Where are you right now? Guys, so look at my catch. Whoa, That's a